Full package. No, let me see for you. God.
Ima! Come! What kind of nonsense be this? Go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Which kind of nonsense be that one?
You say you know where?
Come on. Which one be I say I know where?
She's entertaining me now.
Entertaining you how? Eh?
You didn't tell me that you have this kind of thing in your house now.
You are just saying nonsense, big nonsense. Eh? I tell you say I know where. Say me you come see me for us. And you waited for me to leave the house so that you can come and be pressing my sister.
It's not like that. I like your sister.
So, okay, see, Emmanuel, for my sister to like you, I need to make it happen. You know what? Find me something so I'll talk to my sister for you.
No, I can talk to her.
I don't want you to talk to her. You cannot talk to her. If my sister tell you no now, it will be a shame for you to be coming to my house.
The way I'm talking to her, she already want to tell me yes.
Okay, shut up your mouth. Give me money. Me arrange with my sister.
I'll give you 2,000.
Oh yeah, after the 2,000, give me 50,000.
You want to say your sister give me?
Oh, you think my sister is low budget?
You say your sister is low budget. Just
okay. Give me 40,000.
No. You want baby and come to my house? No, no.
For my sister?
Yes.
Package, fresh skin.
My soon to be babe.
You see her skin, oh?
As no, my soon to be babe. I will take care of her. Don't worry.
You know how much for her cream?
I'll buy them.
Okay, give me 30,000. Last 30,000. 30. Do transfer.
Deadline today. Before the end of today, she will call me baby.
You just wait till I go inside and I will bring your baby for you. You are making mistake.
Bank.
GTBG.
Account number.
053 964 44391. Yeah, put your password. Your password is not even hard.
That's 1,000.
Your password is not even hard.
That's 1,000.
I've seen it. Your password is not hard.
Before the end of today, don't forget, baby.
Don't worry.
Let's go inside.
Well, you know you cannot go inside. Let me do the.
I don't pay money now.
I know. You go ask now. You want the way they do go ask.
No, I'll wait. I'll wait.
You wait, Abby. No, go.
No. Let me wait.
He paid. Yeah! I told you it will work.
Shout guy!
I know my friends. Just impose some fear or give them what they want. They will promise them not even give.
Are you serious?
He paid. 20,000 naira cash. Be coming down. I'll let the money settle in my account.
Transfer. You know you are not good at money. Transfer.
I will give you your money.
Shout guy!
But you see, I brought you the business. If I give you your own 50%, you are supposed to give me at least 5% extra.
Transfer the money first.
The whole 10,000.
10,000 or 20,000.
No, he paid 20,000. I will give you 10,000.
Why?
It's 50-50 now. You want to collect the whole money?
You started again, Isaac.
It's 20,000. Let me do your 10,000. You are supposed to say to me, you know, I have business sense. And these my friends, they have money. If I ask them for money, they won't give me. This is a very better step. We'll do more.
For the first time of you being so sensitive in this life.
Oh, you mean I have not been logically with my partners?
It's not like that. You know you've been
Let me send your money so you will buy food for me.
I'll text my phone number for you.
I have you as my beneficiary.
Sharp guy.
This will work. I've sent it.
It has not.
As
my G.
Let's do more.
From today you're my G. From today you're my G.
Let's be cooperating with me so things will be going well. Don't worry. We will do more. Relax and watch TV.
My sheriff's G.
I will bring more business.
I'll give you 3 meats. Yes, 3 meats.
Let's watch TV.
Look. Look. If you touch me again, I'll buy you a new land.
Are you sure?
I know you don't have land. Which one is this?
iPhone 12.
I'll buy you iPhone 18. I love you. See my skin.
Florida.
What's the problem?
Which can't. Call me.
iPhone 18 Pro Max. All right.
Which kind of nonsense be this now?
How may I help you?
Which one be how may you help me? I call you, say I know where. Say me you see me for house. You come, they press my sister.
My sister?
Which can't talk that one? No, I'm my girlfriend.
I never knew.
If she be my girlfriend, I saw you think they press.
I was not really pressing her. She was one pressing me.
Just quiet. Just come the 20.
But this was his size. She's one in a million. She's fine.
She fine.
My kind of girls.
You like her?
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright.
Where you gonna go?
I want to go and sit down.
Where?
She's not your wife now, she's your sister.
On the Chris. I know it. You like her?
By the grace of God. I like her so much. Cutie Patuni!
Sorry.
You like my sister, Abi? If I miss more thing, I give you my sister.
Why would you whisper? Talk to me, I'll be your guy. I will support you. Keep that your ATM number. Alright, I will send you cash.
You the Chris. I want to ask you whether you the Chris. I can't later find out say you the Chris.
Why you talk like that?
We shan't be. Give me 50,000 naira.
How much will NEPA be for Island?
We shan't be. How much be NEPA before Island? Na NEPA. Give me 50,000, then I'll give you my sister. Do whatever you want. Just give me 50,000. See now, she's high class now.
If no, because of this, your sister fine. You know these are things we do for love. Alright. Transfer.
Do transfer.
Alright.
Do transfer.
I cannot do transfer on this phone.
Which can
What happened is relax. Let me tell one of my friends. Cash. 50,000 naira cash.
50,000 cash.
Yes. I deal with cash nowadays. Say cash Florida.
Cash Florida.
Floridola. For me, sister, I will go extreme. Hi, Cutie Patuni. She's my god, when oh.
Yes.
Alright.
Let's wait for the to come.
You think say you dey wise? You are a mumu man. After my G. I tell you now. You collected. I transferred 30,000 naira to him plus 2,000 cash. Yes, pocket money.
Even if it is 30,000, I will still pay you back.
32,000.
I will pay you back.
We don't even want to argue. We just want to come and collect what belongs to us and let us go.
I will pay you. We will just talk when and this thing.
Who is talking about money?
We don't want the money.
You don't want the money? I told you I have good friends. Thank you very much.
Alright. You're welcome.
Okay.
It's fine.
Alright.
We came to collect.
Cutie Patuni.
What rightfully belongs to us.
Yes.
Your Cutie Patuni belongs to us.
Yes.
Cutie.
So easy.
Just go with them. Just go with them.
Easy.
You're not saying anything.
No, they are my friends. They will treat you well.
I see.
Just go with them.
Taking me away.
Go with them.
Alright.
Enjoy.
Wait, how about the 50,000? They are my friends. They are my friends. You too, you are a girl. You should have ideas of making money.